Find the function that is finally graphed after each of the following transformations is applied to the graph of y equals square root of x in the order stated. So that simply means as I attach a transformation to it, I keep going in combination with the other ones prior to it. So in the end, I'll have all three of those together and the function that represents all three of those transformations from the y equals square root of x. So here we go. So first off, we're going to reflect about the y-axis. So if you think about what that looks like, so that means for every point I put over here, it'll be reflected over here. And every point over here will be reflected over here. Now that's not the graph at all, but I just kind of want to give you an idea of what that means to reflect across the y-axis. So what we have here, that means all of our positive x's are going to be negative x's, and all of our negative x's are now going to be positive x's. So we're going to negate our x's in order to get this reflection about the y-axis. And that negation has to happen within the function. So this is going to be square root of negative x. And that's going to be that reflection. So now for part B, this one says shift to the right 3 units. Now that means I'm using what I had previously, and that's saying shift to the right 3 units. So that means this is going to be a positive 3 here that I need to plug into this to make it 0. And that's really what's going on with this. So this is actually going to be y equals square root. And I'm just going to do it this way, because normally I would go minus the number. And the negation for the reflection about the y, I'm just going to keep on the outside this way. So this is a way you could kind of see it all. Okay, now, again, if I put in a 3 here, 3 minus 3 is going to give me 0. And then the negative 0 is just 0 because 0 is a neutral number. So this is how it could look. All right, now for the last one, shift down 4. So then my final answer then is going to be the square root of negative x minus 3. And then here I'm going to have minus 4. So that's going to be the completed answer for this problem.